Incred is a new age financial services platform that leverages technology and data science across its suite of offerings. And in this video, we'll talk about this company in detail, its company overview, financials, achievements, and more. Incred Financial Services is an Indian non-banking financial company that provides services like personal, consumer, and SME business loans. Incred was founded by Mr. Bhupinder Singh, and the company has received various funding rounds from business entities like Paragon Partners, Alpha Capital, and IDFC PE. Incred Financial Services has lent money to over 350,000 individuals and businesses and impacted 13,000 firms. Moreover, it proudly claims to have financed over 5,000 students and 10,000 digital merchants. Founded in 2016, Incred Group operates in the banking, financial services, and insurance sector via its three different verticals. While Incred Money deals in retail bonds and alternative investments, Incred Finance and Incred Capital are the lending and the wealth and asset management verticals respectively. The different business segments of the company are personal loans, digital MSME loans, merchant loans, and education. The company has set its public listing plans into motion and reportedly plans to raise INR 4,000 crore to INR 5,000 crore, which is about $470 million to about $590 million via its IPO late this year. Incred Finance is eyeing a valuation of INR 15,000 crore to INR 22,500 crore, which is about $1.78 billion to $2.6 billion. Now, coming to its financials, March 2024 revenue was Rs 1,296 crore versus Rs 880.7 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 47.1%. PAT was Rs 309 crore in March 2024 versus Rs 109.1 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 183%. EPS was Rs 5.1 in March 2024 versus Rs 1.9 in the previous year. With outstanding shares of 64.2 crore, their market cap at the current share price stands at 10,268.8 crore with a PE multiplier of 31.4. In July 2022, KKR India Financial Services and Incred Financial Services merged, combining their lending businesses. The merger made Incred Finance an enterprise with a total equity base of USD 300 million and a balance sheet of USD 600 million. Incred Finance can now look forward to capitalizing and dominating India's abundant credit industry. And now, talking about its shareholders, these are the top shareholders owning the majority of the shareholding rights. So if you want to learn more about Incred's unlisted shares or any other similar companies, head over to stockify.net.in or drop a comment below.